What if you could generate $4K per month from a simple digital product with just one click? Sounds unreal, right? Well, I just found an Etsy store making over $100K using AI tools like MidJourney to tap into a high profitable, unsaturated junk journal niche. And the best part, you can do the same. In today's video, I'll show you how to create even better junk journal designs using a free MidJourney alternative. Plus, I'll walk you through a simple strategy to boost your product visibility, design eye-catching thumbnail, and get instant access to over 500 prompts to start selling right away. You might be wondering, what exactly is a junk journal? This is a handmade book crafted from a mix of cycling materials like old papers, book pages, and fabric scraps. People often use it for creative purposes such as art journaling and scrapbooking. However, making a physical junk journal can be time-consuming, which is why many prefer the digital version because it offers a wide range of designs to choose from. While researching for profitable junk journal designs, I came across a store that has made over $75K in total shop sales, selling unique junk journal designs. Analyzing the store performance on Alura, I was impressed by the revenue each listing generated. One particular listing caught my attention: Country Farm Life Junk Journal. This simple design has earned a significant amount and continues to generate monthly sales, proving that customers are still actively searching for this type of designs. Before jumping into generating these images with AI, I needed a well-crafted prompt to achieve the best result. So I went back to the product thumbnail to analyze how these high-quality images were created. Through my observation, I realized that the seller first generated the background separately, then created the subject on a white background using AI, and finally merged them using an editing platform. Now, to replicate this success, I started by using Magic Media and Canva to generate the background. First, I created a portrait-size Canva in Canva, then navigated to the app section and select Magic Media. From there, I entered a simple prompt that went like this. After several generations, I was able to settle with this. For the subject, which will be the main focus of the design, I'll be using Ideogram AI, an AI tool that generates images similar to MidJourney. To create the subject, I'll enter a well-structured prompt in the prompt box using the following format. Before generating the prompt, I adjusted the aspect ratio to portrait and switched to version 1.0. And here is the result I got from Ideogram AI. Now that we have successfully generated both the background and the subject, it's time to blend them together using a platform like Canva. I imported the subject image into Canva where I created the background. Then I used background removal tool to eliminate any unwanted background from the subject. Finally, I reduced the opacity of the subject to seamlessly blend it with the background. Using the same approach, I was able to generate more designs and create stunning images. But these are not all the prompts. I've compiled 100 more that you can use to craft similar designs. You'll find the link in the description, and a special thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. Before you publish your design on Etsy, I have a few tips to boost your product visibility and attract potential buyers. First is your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is the first thing buyers see, so making it visually appealing is crucial. The best way to create an effective thumbnail is to study top-selling junk journal products. Look at how they design their thumbnails and apply similar strategies. You can easily achieve this using Canva. I've linked a video in the description where I show you exactly how to do this step by step. The second is optimizing your tags with Alura. Using a platform like Alura can help you find and use the same high-ranking tags your competitors are using. Simply copy the name of the store selling the product, paste it into Alura Shop Analyzer, search and select the product among this listing, and you see all the tags they use. By adding these tags to your own listings, you increase the chance of your product appearing in the searches when potential buyers look for similar items. And for a bonus tip, use Pinterest as an external traffic source for your Etsy shop. Many top sellers on Etsy use Pinterest to drive extra traffic to their listings. By creating eye-catching pins and linking them to your shop, you can attract more potential buyers and boost your sales. This strategy helps you reach wider audience beyond Etsy, increasing your chance of making more sales. When you follow these steps correctly, your product have a high chance of making consistent sales on Etsy. Finally, I hope this information got to you well. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.